A Wall Street analyst has just made the claim that Tesla could become the Amazon of energy. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. You are watching The Electric Viking. My name is Sam Evans. Fantastic to have you here. Welcome to all the new subscribers of the channel. There's been more than 20,000 of you over the last few weeks. And welcome back to everyone else. Now, if you're new, make sure you check out the 700 plus videos we've created over the last 6 months. A lot of information that you probably don't know about and probably should know about if you want to invest in this industry. Now, John Asada reports for Clean Technica that a Wall Street analyst says that Tesla could become the Amazon of energy. At least one analyst thinks that Tesla could become the everything energy company in the same way that Amazon is the everything store. Now, reports are that Philippe Houchois, an auto analyst at Jefferies, shared his thoughts about Tesla in a recent interview with Business Insider. The article noted that although Elon Musk has been selling Tesla stock, tax season is around the corner. After all, I made a video about why he's selling and the fact that he actually has more stock now than before he sold. But anyway, check out that video in the description below. Houchois sees Tesla's share price rising another 30% over the next year, and he recommends that investors buy it now. So do I. Houchois' price target for Tesla stock is $1,400 US. Now, Houchois thinks that Tesla will continue to rapidly scale up its production while maintaining strong profit margins as it produces cheaper vehicles to compete with legacy car companies. Now, I made a video about the Tesla Model A, and I believe that that is exactly what Houchois is talking about here when he says cheaper cars are coming. Now, I also made a video about where Tesla's next Gigafactory would be. If you connect the dots on this, you can see what is going to happen at Tesla. I'll put links in the description below to those two videos about the Tesla Model A and Tesla's next Gigafactory. Now, he told Insider that in the future, Tesla could even become the everything energy company in the same way as Amazon is the everything store. And I think he's got a point. If you actually think about what's been happening over the last, say, 2 years, have a look at some of the Megapack installations, the enormous batteries going in around the world. Have a look at Tesla's solar. Have a look at their power walls. Have a look at their other energy solutions with metering out power during peak periods. Things are definitely trending in that direction. In addition to that, what's Tesla doing? Manufacturing their own batteries. The article also discussed Tesla's army of skeptics who believe that Tesla's market valuation is only based on highly speculative predictions about future sales, which is true. There is a lot of speculation going on, but I think a lot of that actually makes a lot of sense. Many of Tesla's skeptics, especially the extreme ones, and boy, are there some extreme ones getting around. They seem to be full of anger and frustration and feelings of almost violence. I don't know why they're so emotional about their anger towards a brand, but anyway, I guess that happens when you're big, when you have fans of a company that are incredibly passionate about you. You also have fans of the company that are incredibly dispassionate about you or passionate in negative ways towards you as well. Now, these negative campaigners, though, have campaigned relentlessly against Tesla, whether by intentionally spreading misinformation, yes, it's still happening everywhere, or simply crazed theories. Some are like ghosts, haunting every Tesla vehicle that has been revealed and claiming it will never be produced or will never be popular. We've seen this with the Tesla Model S, the X, the 3, the Y, and now we are seeing it with the Cybertruck and the Semi. You know, this is true. In particular, with the Cybertruck. Obviously, Tesla has more than 1.3 million pre-orders for the Cybertruck, and it's so common now. On almost every article on electric, inside EVs, everywhere, there's these incredible skeptics. I actually think some of these people should be banned. They're so emotional, they're so illogical, and they just parrot the same things on every article hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of times. These people, they really need to get a job or just walk outside and get some sun and feel better about their lives, because honestly, the amount of disinformation and hatred and frustration that these people have, it's staggering, truly, and it's sort of, I feel sorry for them. I do. All these same people were saying Tesla would never make the Model 3 and they'd never deliver the Model Y. These same people, it doesn't matter what Tesla do. It doesn't matter what they produce. these same people will continue to say, this will never happen, this will never happen. So believing these people is not a good idea. In other words, take care what those extreme skeptics say and take what they say with a grain of salt. Listen to the constructive criticism and feedback, for sure, but not the extreme conspiracy theories and the manufactured FUD. Now, Clean Technica says, despite the fears of skeptics, Hushua told Insider, the way Tesla is structured, or their strategy, is they basically challenge at multiple levels the way the industry operates, the way cars are designed, the way cars are sold, and the software. He said he's been impressed with Tesla's recent results. It's delivered its 9th straight profitable quarter in the third quarter with an operating margin, a key measure of profitability that I keep going on and on about, of 14.6%, which is up 10 percentage points from 2 years earlier. He also noted that several factors are helping Tesla to preserve its strong margins. One key factor is something many dealerships don't like: Tesla's direct sales model. Hushua added that his aim of ramping up production to 20 million cars by 2030 from an estimated 900,000 in 2021 is outrageous and won't happen. I don't think it's outrageous, but I don't think it will happen either. I think their numbers will be closer to somewhere between 13 to 15 million in 2030. However, he does think that Tesla could produce over 8 million cars by that point in time. So his view is, well, I think it's conservative on this issue, but still that puts Tesla at or near the world leader position in automobile production by 2030. My estimation, based on the video I made about my predictions for 2030, is 7 million for BYD, 7 million for Volkswagen in 2030. So this would put Tesla in first place if they got to 8 million. Now I predict more than 8 million in my video. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Hushua also said that Tesla's goal of producing a cheaper car would help it seize market share from older legacy auto, who are struggling in China right now, for example. Well, actually, they're struggling all over the world. So, are we ready for a Tesla Model A? Definitely. The market is ripe for a Tesla Model A. I think the Tesla Model A will eventually become the world's best-selling vehicle. Possibly, second place could be the BYD Dolphin. Check out my video about my prediction about the top-selling electric vehicle in the world in 2 years from now. I'll put a link in the description below to that video too. Now, what really gives Tesla an edge in a world that is quickly moving away from fossil fuels, Hushua said, is that Tesla is a clean energy company as well as an automaker. I think, in a way, similar to BYD. It's almost like the way that Amazon from a bookseller became the everything store. Then the long-term bullish story is Tesla becomes everything energy. I think this makes sense. Do you? Let me know what you think. I've seen many comparisons between Tesla and Apple. Tesla is often called the Apple of car manufacturers. But Jonas says that comparing it with Amazon in the sense that Tesla is working towards providing all of a person's energy and transportation needs, this also makes some sense. Now, the Wall Street analyst didn't mention anything about artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, robotics, etc. Obviously, if Tesla pulls off just one of those things, if Tesla's able to actually nail full self-driving, if Tesla's able to nail robotics, just one of those things, then this stock valuation will be undervalued significantly in my view. But of course, this is a gamble. This may or may not work. Let me know in the comment section if you think it will work. Do you think Tesla will pull off one of those things? Which one is it? Thanks for watching the video. Look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Bye-bye.